The increased technical complexity of dispatch services today, including equipment and training, and the increased expectations of our citizens require us to look for ways to provide a higher level of emergency communication service while being fiscally responsible to our taxpayers.
Our dispatch center was at a financial crossroads. We either invested millions of dollars of taxpayer money into it to bring it up to operating standards, or we consolidated with the Waukesha County Communications Center. There were no other feasible options. The City of New Berlin would be required to spend $1.5 million in 2014 to upgrade its dispatch and communications equipment. Along with that, another $300,000 annually would be required for staffing, personnel, and training needs. Dispatching has evolved into a highly technical component of police and EMS services, and let's face it, an expensive one to taxpayers. Even though it's generally invisible to the public, dispatching deserves the same commitment to equipment, personnel, and training as our officers, paramedics, and firefighters enjoy in the field. In a side-by-side comparison of cost, service, facility, and equipment, and training and staffing of personnel, the WCC clearly provided a better value to our residents. That sure hurt our pride a bit, but our strong tradition of providing the best police and EMS services is even stronger with the WCC as our partner. It is in all respects a successful collaboration due to people working together toward a common mission of providing the finest emergency services available to our residents.
Another advantage that we're finding with WCC is the fact that we do auto aid agreement with the City of Brookfield, where Brookfield first responds a portion of New Berlin, and in return, New Berlin first responds a portion of Brookfield. Because we're both dispatched by the same dispatch center, the response and the dispatching is done seamlessly, offering the citizens the fastest service possible regardless of border.
Here in Waukesha County, we are the public safety answering point. Cell phone calls and landline calls that come into 911 come into WCC, and our staff efficiently handles those requests for service. All of my dispatchers are cross-trained to be dispatchers as well as call takers, and they can work any position within the center.
On behalf of the residents, the Common Council, and the staff of the City of New Berlin, I would like to gratefully accept this award for the Government Agency of the Year 2013 from County Executive Dan Varakis. Thank you.